develop the most appropriate positioning for your organization? Let's start with strategy guru Michael Porter's Generic Strategies Framework. It is a very helpful tool for guiding businesses through this process. So in this first exercise, we've included a blank strategy framework for you to use in kind of plotting your organization and the others that are also in your market. The x-axis in this framework really reflects where one derives their primary competitive advantage, more so in lower priced offerings on the left side of the model, or from higher priced but also highly differentiated offerings on more the right side of the model. On the y-axis, we talk more about the scope of the offerings that are being marketed by an organization, specifically whether the company has a more narrow set of products, solutions, services, or expertise, or a more broad set of them. Now, there are highly successful organizations in every area of the framework. What the right positioning is for your business truly depends on a number of market and individual factors, so you'll really want to spend time thinking this through clearly for your organization. The most important thing to remember, though, is that as an organization, it can't be all things to all people. So it's really important to spend time looking at what it is that you do want to represent to your prospective customers and your current customers. And then that can be the area that you focus on going forward. Now, to give you some practical examples of recognizable companies in each of these areas, let's check out cost leadership. Amazon is a great example of that. They offer an incredibly wide array of products that are typically priced on the lower end of what others sell, kind of for the same or similar products. Now, I'm a big fan of Amazon. There are boxes coming to our house regularly, and I appreciate that convenience of the broad selection and the variety of pricing, but keeping it low, and also the speed with which it can be delivered to my house or my business. I'm also a fan in the cost focus quadrant of Southwest Airlines. They really focus in on flights within North America. They don't have some of those extra frills like first class or special amenities, but that is really what enables them to compete more effectively on price. Now let's look in at a differentiation focus. Here, Ferrari is a great example. They really seek to design kind of the fastest and sportiest vehicles and combine that with recognizable styling and elements that truly support that premium pricing and a creation of an experience that is very exclusive. Another one under differentiation is Apple. They have a more particular or narrow range of products, but they lead with innovation and truly standing out and differentiating from the competition. And that differentiation is what puts them in this particular quadrant.